Hi, my name is Peter Montgomery, and on today's 30 on 3D, we're going to be discussing the FixWizard and Materialise Magics. One really great tool that I'll demonstrate right now on Materialise Magics will be the FixWizard. This is a tool that I often use when looking at all different sorts of geometry to understand what's going on in a file. So to do that, I'll go ahead and load a part. In this case, I'm going to load a part that I know has some file issues. And we're going to go ahead and add that part, and as I can see, I have my part here. I can see that there are some unstitched edges as well as some flipped surfaces. So with the FixWizard, I can go ahead and very quickly see what's going on with my part, and in a matter of a few steps, actually go ahead and automatically fix my part until I have a single unified mesh that is watertight and ready for 3D printing.
Be sure to check us out next time on 30 on 3D.